Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkandan Emade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. We are starting with chapter number 3, Fluid Machineries. Part 1, Fluid and Fluid Mechanics, Hydroelectric Power Plant, Impulse Turbine, Reaction Turbine. Learning outcomes. By the end of the chapter, the students will able to learn. We will study hydroelectric power plant, different types of hydraulic turbine, power developing devices, construction and working application of power developing devices, different types of pump, power consuming devices. Introduction to fluid and fluid mechanics. What is fluid? Fluid is defined as the substance which has the capacity to flow, example liquid and gaseous. Fluid has no definite shape of its own but conforms to the shape of the container in which it is filled. Fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is also referred as the hydraulic. Fluid mechanics deals with a static, kinematics and dynamic aspect of the fluid. Fluid mechanics is defined as the branch of engineering science which deals with the behavior of a fluid at the rest of the fluid motion. Study of a behavior of a fluid properties is used to develop the various applications such as reciprocating and rotating pumps, hydraulic turbines, submersible pumps, jet pumps, etc. Fluid mechanics is referred as the area of the engineering science which deals with entire focus of such is incorrect concept that how the properties of the fluid can use to develop various applications of industrial sector. Classification of fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics or hydraulics is classified in three categories: hydrostatic, hydrokinematics, and hydrodynamic. Hydrostatic means it deals with the behavior of a fluid at the rest, for example, fluid stored in a tank. Hydrodynamic, it deals with the behavior of the fluid in a motion when a pressure fluid are not considered, for example, fluid flowing in a river. Hydrodynamics, it deals with the behavior of a fluid in a motion when pressure force are considered, fluid charged by the pump, discharged by the pump. Okay, difference between hydrostatic and hydrodynamics. Hydrostatic and hydrodynamics difference I will show. First point is for hydrostatic is study behavior of water and liquid at the rest is done. In hydrodynamics, study behavior of a water liquid motion is done. Okay, it is used to find the force, pressure on the gate, dams, walls, etc. It was studied by the Pascal. It is used to find the flow, velocity or discharge through the pipe and channel. It is studied by the Reynolds. Hydraulic turbine. Hydraulic turbine consists of runner, nozzle. So runner means what? Runner is a circular disc mounted output shaft of the turbine. Number of curved vanes are mounted equidistantly or circumference of the runner. Nozzle means what? Nozzle acts guiding apparatus for the flow of water inlet in the specific direction towards the turbine runner, gradually decreasing the flow area of a nozzle, increasing the speed and hence the kinetic energy of water. Thus high velocity water jet are formed which strike and energy of water. Thus the high velocity of water jets are formed which strike and makes the curved vane blade mounted on the runner to rotate. Due to the high output, shaft of the turbine also rotates and thus the mechanical energy is produced. Hydroelectric power plant. So hydroelectric power plant main components are dam, penstock, hydraulic water turbine, head race, tail race. So we have one runner is having the buckets. Okay, the dam is there. From the dam water flows through the penstock and comes out from the nozzle from the nozzle the water gets strike to the buckets, and due to the force of the water the buckets start rotating, okay, in counterclockwise direction. Okay, and the runner is attached with the shaft of the generator, and also due to the rotating of the turbine we get the generating of the power, electricity or power. Advantages of hydroelectric power plant: it takes few minutes to run and synchronize the plant, so starting time required is less. Operation is required very less as compared to the thermal power plant. No fuel charge, no transportation problem, no ash problem, no smoke is produced in the plant. Therefore, it does not pollute atmosphere. Low running cost, low maintenance and operating change, less supervising staff is required, highly reliable, no standby losses, efficiency does not change with increasing the age or a life of a plant. Hydroelectric power plant has a comparatively high long life 100 to 125 years against 20 to 40 years of the thermal power plant. In addition, the power generation of hydroelectric power plant are also used for the application like flood control, irrigation purpose. Cost of the land is not major problem since the hydroelectric power plants are constructed far away from the developed area. Disadvantage of hydroelectric power plant: the initial cost of the power plant is very high. It takes long time to construction of a dam. Generally, such plants are located in hilly areas after away from the load center, and thus they require the long transmission lines along with them, and losses in them will be more. Power generation by the hydroelectric power plant is only dependent on the natural phenomena of the rain. Therefore, at the time of drought or a summer season, the hydroelectric power plant will not work. Classification of hydraulic turbine: on the basis of hydraulic action, type of energy at inlet. Impulse turbine is known as Pelton turbine, reaction turbine, Francis turbine, or Kaplan turbine. On the basis of the direction of a flow through runner: tangential flow, radial flow, axial flow, mixed flow. On the basis of water: high head turbine, medium head turbine, low head turbine. On the basis of specific speed: low speed Pelton is 10 to 35, medium speed Francis 60 to 400, and high specific speed Kaplan 300 to 1000. Specific speed is the speed of the turbine for producing the unit power under the unit head. Introduction to the impulse turbine. The impulse turbine works on the principle of impulsive force. In this turbine, the pressure head or the energy of the water is first converted into kinetic by the use of single nozzle or the set of the nozzle which kept very close to the runner. High velocity water jet produced by the nozzle is allowed to strike on the bucket fixed mounted on the periphery of the wheel or the runner. Direction of a water jet get changed after striking the buckets. The change in the direction leads to the change in the momentum of water and makes the wheel to rotate, and thus producing the mechanical energy. It should be noted that pressure of water is equal to the atmospheric pressure and it remains constant while passing over the runner. For example, Pelton wheel turbine. So Pelton wheel turbine is an impulse turbine of a tangential flow type. Okay, components is penstock, nozzle and spear, runner, buckets, casing and brake jet. Okay, uh, these are the functions which I have given. Okay, see the figure. Same from the dam the water comes to the penstock, and spear is one needle for adjustment of the flow velocity of water from the nozzle. Okay, as we adjust the velocity increase, and due to increase of velocity the pressure is also increased, and the pressurized water strike on the buckets, and buckets are attached with runner. The runner start rotating. Okay, and braking nozzle means braking jet means to when we need to stop the runner, so braking jet nozzle is used. Okay, this whole system is one casing. Okay, advantages of Pelton turbine: it is easy to maintain. Intake exhaust of the water take place at the atmospheric pressure, hence no draft tube is required. No cavitation problem. It helps to construction. It can work on the high heads of the low discharge. Disadvantages of Pelton turbine: it requires the high head of the operation. Its efficiency decreases quickly within time. Turbine size is generally large due to the high head. It is very difficult to control the variation in the operating head. Introduction to reaction turbine. In case of impulse turbine, the entire pressure available is converted into velocity head in the nozzle before watering enter the runner, where in case of reaction turbine only the part enter the pressure head available is converted into velocity head is in the fixed guide vanes before water enter the runner. Therefore, the reaction turbine water enter the runner under the pressure with the some velocity head. When the water phases over the runner, it pressure is gradually converted into velocity head until the pressure is reduced to the atmospheric pressure along with the change in kinetic energy based on the absolute velocity. Thus, the reaction of turbine works on the principle of impulse reaction. Both Both kinetic energy and pressure energy are reduced simultaneously while passing over the runner and produce the mechanical energy. In other words, impulse action due to the velocity difference of the reaction due to the pressure difference responsible to rotation of the runner producing the mechanical work. Since the water flow to the runner pressure more the atmospheric pressure, therefore the necessary that the runner must run full of water. Water from the runner is discharged into the tail race through the draft tube. Draft tube is closed tube, gradually increasing the cross-sectional area. Gradually increasing cross-sectional area of a flow is required to accommodate the change in static pressure of a water. Reaction is suitable for the low head 30 meter to and medium end 250 meter. Type of radial reaction turbine is inward radial flow and outward radial flow. Okay, Francis turbine parts are penstock, spirals, casing, guide vanes, governing mechanism, runner and runner blades, draft tube. Advantages, you may see the figure. In figure I have shown the working, how the water is flowing and how the runner is rotating. Okay, advantages is it is most widely used turbine in the world. About 70 to 80% effectively use water pressure as well as the velocity. In its American standard turbine, it is very good efficiency 80 to 95%. Disadvantages is cost is high due to its complex design, the large number of moving parts, maintenance and repairing is difficultly costly. It is applicable to flow the medium of head only. Okay, low medium head only. Thank you.